Good morning, everybody. We are on to fractions day 2. On fractions day 2, we're going to be reviewing some of the things we did yesterday. Yesterday, you were asked to define a lot of different terms. You were asked to explain what those things were using actual definitions from links to sites that I have found for you that had the definitions. Today, we're going to switch it up a little bit. We still have the same videos we had yesterday on slide 2 on our reference page. We watched this video down here yesterday. It was a very good video, and it's still going to be beneficial to you. If you still feel like watching it again today, please do. This link is for another video that we did not yet watch yesterday as a class. I'm still not going to have you watch it today as a class, but if you'd like to watch it on your own, please go for it. It's very interesting. It's all about fractions and equivalent fractions. It's a very good video. We're going to move on today. Yesterday, you answered these and there were links there for you to write things on. Oops, Ms. Farmer left a link. My bad. In your own words, I want you, in your own words, to explain what is a fraction. Who can explain what is a fraction?
Fraction is like a whole group and then like you split it up.
Yeah, it's parts of a whole group. It's when you have a whole group split into equal, that's the biggest part, equal parts, and then how much is split up, right? It's when you have a whole split into parts, equal parts. There are two parts of a fraction. What are the two parts of a fraction? A lot of us struggled with this yesterday.
I don't know what it is, but I forgot what it's called.
All right, let's think about it. There's a word that, what is the top of a fraction?
Numerator.
Yeah, the numerator.
And then denominator.
And then we have the bottom,
Denominator.
which is called the denominator. Very good. It is really important that we learn how to, 1, say these words, and 2, write these words. Numerator is the top, denominator is the bottom. That's very, very, very important. Crystal, thank you for joining us. We are being recorded right now because we are going over the math that we definitely need help with and need to pay attention to so we don't make the same mistakes we made yesterday. So when you talk about fraction, here it's asking you to define it in your own words. Here you are doing it, you're telling me the different parts of a fraction. There's the top number, which is called the numerator, and the bottom number, which is called the denominator. I'm going to say numerator, and then I'm going to point to you guys, and I want you to say it. You ready? Numerator.
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 Denominator.
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 Good. We definitely need practice with that, but those words are trickier to say. When we get to slide 4, you're going to tell me the two parts of the fraction again, right here and right here. What's on the top? What's on the bottom? Who can tell me what's the word that goes up top?
Numerator.
Numerator, very good. And the word on the bottom?
Denominator.
Denominator, very good. The numerator is what?
The top number.
The top number, or the parts that are shaded, the pieces, right? The smaller number of the pieces. The denominator is what?
The bottom.
The bottom.
Or how many pieces there are in,
The whole.
how many pieces there are in the whole, how many pieces there are in total. Very good. Then you're going to be asked to write the fraction. Let's count this. We'll start here, I guess. I don't like this. We'll start here and I'll go backwards.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, you're counting so fast, I can't write that fast. All right. Do we agree that there's 9 total pieces?
Yeah.
Where does the 9 go? The 9 total pieces. You can
Right
annotate
next
it
to
on my
the,
screen if you'd like.
Next. To
You
the
guys can write it on the screen if you'd like. That's our fraction bar. Where's it going to go? Where's the 9 going to go? The 9 total pieces. One of you got it right. 9 total pieces are going to go down low. 9 total pieces. Remember, the denominator is the number that shows the total part. The top number, the numerator, is the parts being counted. I just covered it up. But yes, 8 is going to go up top because that's the parts being counted. 8 are shaded. Okay, there are 8 being counted. Does that make sense? So you guys count these ones. Think of it in your brain of what your fraction is. Don't write it yet. Don't say it. You think of it. We're going to think about it, think about it, think about it. I'm going to ask the denominator first, the total. How many totals are there? Go ahead and write it.
7.
I disagree with this 3. I heard Jacob say a number. Go ahead and write the denominator where it belongs.
We're in the bottom. 7.
I agree with the 7. There are 7 total pieces, guys. Count this again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total parts. The 7 goes in the denominator. How many parts are being counted?
4.
4. 4 are shaded. So the 4 goes up top. Please, 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 this is really important. You can't be like, oh, there's 4 up top and then 3 that aren't shaded. That is not a fraction. That is not something that we're doing. There are 7 total pieces. 4 of them are being shaded. 4 of them were eaten. 4 of them are being counted. However you want to think of it. That's what you're doing for this day. You're counting your total pieces. And on each page, guys, I have this up here for you. Look at it. Use it. This is really important. It's here for you. Use it so that you know. Okay. And then we go here and I make you write it the same way. It's just different. They're different fractions. Some are circles, some are squares, some are rectangles. What are the total number? That goes on the bottom. How many are being shaded? That goes on the top. Okay. The last page. Oh, okay. I'll go to page 9. This page is super duper hard. Super duper hard. Probably the hardest page to see in your entire life. Oh man, it's so hard. Oh, let's do this pink one together. I'll even change my color to pink. It says color pink 1/2. Can I color 1/2 of this? How do I do it? You guys color. Go ahead. Show me colored 1/2. Oh, it's so hard. I don't know if I can do this.
I gotta use blue because this is the only one that I have.
Yeah,
and
that's
there's no
totally fine.
pink.
It's okay. Yeah, you guys all did it fine. You colored 1/2. Look at that. Not hard, right? You colored 1/2 of it. That was perfect. If I did it, it would be, you know, a little sloppy right now, but that's my 1/2, okay? What if I was
Yeah,
told
when
to
I
color 3/4? There you go. One of you colored one colored the other. Either way, as long as you only color 3 of them, perfect. Good. All right, guys. Awesome. I don't think you guys are going to have a problem with this at all. The last page is also a little tricky. You're supposed to match the fractions.
I would know which one is the whole.
Which one is the whole? Go ahead and match it for me.
The one that's full.
There you go. Which one is 1/2? Which one's 1/4?
That one.
And then I'm gonna stop there. Do you guys have any questions? Because this seems like you guys are rocking it. Do you guys have any questions? No? Perfect.
No.
You guys are rocking this. I believe in you. It's meant to be simple so that we can keep building on it and getting harder. I'm gonna stop the recording and then I'll ask again if you guys have questions.